Greetings everybody, this is Dave Matuzik from MacDac Engineering, and I've got another tech tip for you guys here. I'm going to machine this part here, and I'm going to use the Preview Chain button that's available in Mastercam's Dynamic Toolpath menus in order to see what my chain and toolpaths are going to do before I generate it. So let's take a look here. I can go to my Dynamic Path, and I'm going to select a machining region. I want to machine this face and leave this boss standing up. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to select that chain and I'm going to hit Preview Chain. Now here's what I see on my screen here. This red and black crosshatch area is the material cutting region. So an area where there's material to cut that's inside my chain. In the yellow outline is the outline of where my tool is contained within. So I can see here that I'm not really facing off the part. The tool is going to stay within this boundary. So I'm going to set my machining region strategy to from outside and hit Preview Chain once again. And now you can see how that yellow boundary moved out to that edge, and I have a blue tool motion area here. That's an area where I'm not necessarily cutting material, but the tool is allowed to move. Okay. I also have another problem. I'm going to wipe out that boss right now. That's not what I want to do. I wanted to leave that boss standing there. So I'm going to add a avoidance region in and say, hey, let's not remove that material there. And I'll hit Preview Chain. So now you can see that I have an area where the tool is going to have motion, the blue area, where the tool is going to be removing material, the cross-hatched area. And you can see here by the yellow boundaries that my tool is not going to violate that boss. So it's a real handy way to see what you're going to get for a toolpath before you ever generate the toolpath. This is a very simple example of this, but imagine if I had a lot of multiple bosses and I may have missed one or two. It saves me from having to go back in after toolpathing and go in and modify my toolpath, so I can kind of see what I'm going to get before I get it. So everybody, that's a quick little tech tip for you on how to use that Preview Chain button. Hope you found this informative, and thanks, and have a great day.